Okay, thank you so much. Hey, bro, it's this car. The engine suddenly stalled while driving normally. Then it can't be started anymore. The owner is planning to call a tow truck. I stopped him immediately. Don't waste your money. Let me check it first. Today I'm going to see what's wrong with this car. Let's go. This is my tool. Try starting the car first. Look carefully. Try again. Did you see it? Really can't start. Do you know the reason? Let's go look at the engine bay. There are two reasons why the car cannot start. No ignition or no fuel injection. Eliminate the cause of the spark plug first. Take out the spark plug. Look, the spark plug has been taken out. Put this plug back first. Good. Then start the car and see if it's working properly. Please help start it. Okay. Did you see it? Can't ignite. Put back all the parts. Then check whether the fuel is sprayed out. Unplug this tube. Start the car and see if fuel is injected here. Get a bottle to catch it so as not to pollute the environment. Come on, please help start it. Okay, did you see that? No fuel injection. Install this pipe back. Okay. Neither ignition nor fuel injection. Solving this kind of failure is actually very simple. All vehicles have computer controllers. It collects signals to control fuel injection and ignition. Now there is neither fuel injection nor ignition. It's obviously a signal failure. Speaking of computer signals, there is a part in the car that affects both ignition and fuel injection. Look, it's this part. It's called a crankshaft position sensor. I now suspect it is faulty. Let's take it apart and take a look. Remove this screw. Okay, the screws have been removed. Pull the plug. Okay, that's it. Then the sensor can be taken out. Let's check it after we take it out. Huh? It is indeed it. Come and see. My gosh, the sensor head was filled with iron filings. So much so that the top was covered in it. Too much iron filings will affect signal transmission, and the car may not start. Don't rush to replace it or you'll waste your money. Find a paper towel and wipe the iron filings off the sensor head. What? Really too dirty. This sensor can collect position signals and determine the top dead center of the piston. It is generally installed above the flywheel, with a gap of about 1 millimeter between the flywheel teeth. Because it is magnetic, it easily absorbs too many iron filings, causing the gap to become smaller. The computer cannot determine the order of ignition and fuel injection, so the car will not ignite. Look, it has been wiped clean. Next, let's install this sensor into the car and see if the car can start. Plug the sensor back in first. Okay, then put the screws back on. Tighten the screws. Okay, tighten it like this. Finally, put the plug back in. Okay, it's all installed. Next, let's get in the car and see if it can start. Hey guys, if the fault is solved, please light up the little red heart to support me. The next step is to witness the miracle of the moment. Brake. Shift into N gear. 3, 2, 1, start up. Started smoothly. Come on, try again. Did you see that? Very perfect. The engine is powerful. Let's take a look at the engine bay. The car is already fully functioning. Look, the fault has been completely solved. It's really simple, right? Follow me to make a friend who knows cars.